Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok not installed. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok not installed, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.